Hey golf fans, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the action from Scotland, where Justin Thomas is off to another great start. Despite what his British Open score might suggest, Thomas kicked off the first round at Royal Troon with an impressive 3 under 68. Last week he wowed us all with a 62 at the Scottish Open, but Royal Troon is a whole different beast. With tricky conditions like rain and wind, this course is ready to challenge even the best players. US Open champion Bryson DeChambeau struggled mightily, missing par putts and finding himself in trouble with a double bogey after barely advancing his ball from the deep rough. Rory McIlroy, aiming for a comeback after his US Open disappointment, faced his own set of challenges. Double bogeys on the famous postage stamp hole, and the 11th left him 5 over and slipping down the leaderboard. Justin Thomas, however, managed to keep his cool. Despite a minor hiccup on the back nine, he remained patient and focused. Key moments like a 12-foot par putt and finishing with birdies on the 17th and 18th showed his determination and skill. Other notable performances included Justin Rose, who played bogey-free for a 69, and the impressive efforts of Nicolai Højgaard and Alex Noren, who qualified through the Scottish Open. Matt Wallace started strong but faced a setback with a triple bogey on the 9th, finishing with a 69. Meanwhile, golf legend Justin Leonard, who won at Royal Troon in 1997, returned and opened the tournament with an 80. Late in the afternoon, the course continued to challenge players like Masters champion Scottie Scheffler and the iconic Tiger Woods. The wind picked up and rain threatened, making it a tough day for everyone. Despite these conditions, Thomas felt positive about his 68, especially compared to last year's struggles. He's still searching for his first win in over 2 years, but his performance at Royal Troon suggests he's on the right path. What do you think of Justin Thomas's start at Royal Troon? Can he keep the momentum going? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more golf updates and highlights.